Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Adventures, and today I'm going to be doing a mudlark in Chesterfield, Derbyshire, England. Small stream, creek really. See what we can get. So to all my subscribers, new, old, those just visiting, you're all very welcome. Today's channel shout out is going to Dutch Magnet Adventures. It's less than a month until I actually go over there to see them, and I'll do a bit of magnet fishing over there. Really looking forward to it. But if you haven't liked, subscribe and commented on their YouTube, please do. And there will be a giveaway as well, running for all those that subscribe, and that will be done whilst I'm over in the Netherlands. So please go and check them out, like, subscribe and comment. Dutch Magnet Adventures. So today the water's crystal clear, just there, can see something. Bronze or copper. It's got a stud on the back, so I assume that's part of a box fitting or a drawer handle, form of a flower. That's cool. So just in the water down there, it's something with a cross just there. Oh, water's cold. So we've got a badge. Let me just clean the camera. Sorry about that, I just had to wipe the camera, it was a bit misty. British Red Cross Society. That's really nice. I think that could be 1930s, 40s or 1950s. Cool. So I've just been walking downstream just to show you what happens. You can see the water here. It's very silty, and this is the runoff channel in the middle and down here. So that's just dragged all the silt up, covering up anything that you could possibly see. And that's when it rains, it does the same thing. When you're in flood, things get covered up, things get uncovered. And the secret is really to walk upstream, so anything that comes down is already behind you in searched areas. Now it doesn't take too long to clear. As you can see, it's now getting clearer. Final bit of debris running through. But that's the secret to mudlarking in the shallow water courses. You just never know. And I've just come over this area. Couldn't see anything because of the silt. Just there, there's something there. What we got there. So on that one, let's just go over here. Don't want to drop that. So we have got old figurine statue head. So that's really cool, I like that as well. That's going to be 1880 to 1920. So just come across another find just here. And this is one trapped between the rocks. It's got a amber glass, little Milton bottle there. So always shake it, get the water and mud out, make sure there's no wildlife in there. Yeah, so that's a nice one. Milton. It appears to be intact, so I'll take that with me. So I've come back to this area, and the water's extremely low, and the water's very clear today. No silt flow. Just down here, just there, looks like a marble, which it feels like a long way down. Yep, got a beautiful yellow marble. So there's still a lot more here. Cool, that's me happy. So for those of you that are wanting to get a magnet, please check out kratosmagnetics.com, and for a 12% discount either use my code, which will be put on screen now, and that gives you 12% discount, or you can use Dutch Magnet Adventures code, which is DMA12. There is shipping and import fees from the United States of America, and they're very good, powerful, strong magnets. They've got 360 magnets, single side, double side and clamp magnets. And the new range, they've got the cube shaped magnets as well. All very good, all very powerful, and you wouldn't regret having one of those along your side. And that's kratosmagnetics.com. Just here there's a filter top from a water filter. Just put my stick down a second and go and have a look what that is. Yep, so there we are, that's a water filter top. It's going to be pre-1930. So I've come around the corner, got this area where the tip is, just there. There's a old stopper from a bottle, and there's a screwdriver here, so we'll get those out of the water. So back into the clear waters, we've got lots of broken pottery, things like that, but just there, 1 and 2, we've got some stoneware stoppers. Again, these are going to be for water filters, things like that. There's another one. Yep, both different styles. I'll keep both of those. Again, pre-1930. So this is a bit further down. This area here is all dried up, so it shows how low the water is. Normally the water goes around here and as far up as these branches. So there's got to be something. I'll just keep looking, see what we can get. Now there is lots of broken in this area. There's something square there. Let's have a look what that is. So we've got part of a car, toy car. Again, it's metal, but that framework that can be used to hold something, piece of pottery maybe. So the water's gone clear again. There's a bottle there. There's an ink or something there. There's another bottle bit there. Let's have a look what we've got. So there's a brown chemist bottle there. Let's go and see what that other one is. Yeah, that's a screw top glass. We'll get that out. So we've got a screw top bottle and an ink bottle. Put those there a second. I've come to an area and it's very, very shallow, very interesting. There's pottery, there's bottles, there's bottle fragments, bits more stoneware. I've just spotted 2 things that shouldn't be in the environment. Let's have a look what we've got. So down here, yep, section of clay pipe stem, and something else shouldn't be here. Fisherman's tweezers. Again, it's waste, it'll go with me. So from this water, there's another bottle over there. 2 more ink pots have come out. These are going to be later ones, 1930s, 40s. Just got this out. It's going to need a clean. 2016, 20 pence. Just here, some of the other bottles that's came out. We've got this beautiful lime juice bottle, screw tops at 1940s, a mixture of others, lung tonic, cough cure, a few other bits. So the water's cleared up again. Just there, the bottle with ribs on it. It's either poison or it's something similar. Let's have a look. Bottled by Jaden, so Jay's. That's going to be, oh, it's quite early. Number 10, so possibly Edwardian. Oh, yeah, I like that. That'll go with me. Just here, there's another smaller stopper. So that's going to be for a ceramic hot water bottle. It's quite interesting. Just come across this one, Ellis Town, and I've just had a look on the internet, and that is from Leicestershire, England. And there's a maker's mark E in a shield. That's going to be from the 1870s to 1900. So we've got the peace and tranquility of the water. I'll just listen to that a second. Beautiful. But just down here, spotted a ceramic barrel bung or something similar, kiln spacer maybe, but yeah, they're interesting, so I'll take that. And just down here there's another bottle. Just put that aside a second. It's a larger Milton one. There we go. It's could be a nice amber colour, that is. Just get the water out of it. But yeah, they're generally a reddish brown in colour. Just there. Can you see it? Just there. There's a bottle. It's a milk bottle. Wharfdale United Limited. I think it'll be Harrogate acid etched. That's going to be, yeah, that's presumably 1940s. It's got a wide top on it. Yeah, I'll take that. So there's more bottles here, big, small, broken ones, mixed ages. I'm seeing stuff from the 1880s all the way through to modern, probably 1970s, 80s sort of bottles. I think I'm going to have to come back and do another search of this area and just see what I can do from there. If anyone would be interested in coming on a mudlark, let me know in the comments. I am based in Derbyshire and closer towards Sheffield. So let me know and I'm sure we can sort something out. Now often I can't take all the bottles, they're just too big and I've got nowhere for them. Rather than picking them up and putting them into a dustbin to recycle, I'd rather somebody else come and had them. So I'll show you what we've got. So just down here There's a bottle there. There's another one just there. Yeah, just there. There's another one over there. There's bricks in here as well. There's another one. There's another one. So there's quite a few bits. I'm only going to go for ones that I haven't already got. There's another one washed up there. Meat paste pot. Just there, 1930s maybe. So another bottle there. Yep, just there. There's another one just there. Another ink pot over there. It's a bit of trash here, we'll have that out. There we go. I always remove the trash when I see it. Just here, couple more. So these gardens here, these all used to be old dump sites pre-1940. There's all sorts wash out. Just don't know what's up there. There's another one here. Pickle jar, another one. Some bricks over here. There's another one there. One over there. I've just seen one here, fairly modern looking, but it looks interesting. And that one is icky brown water. Don't want that in my bag. But that one, let's have a look at that. That's got an elephant and a building. Some of the things on it. As I say, that's fairly modern, but I like that one. It's got nice pictures on it. So, yep, I'm going to keep that one. Probably 1970s or later. So, just here, a white ceramic brick Allen's of Halifax. It says Halifax. That's in Yorkshire. Just seen a nasty vape. Let's get that out of the environment. There's a glass bottle just down there. Oh, you've got to watch it because it is slippery. These rocks are going to take you down. There's another one there. I've lost my stick again, so I'm going to have to get a new one. Let's take this one. Again, you can see just on the side the amount of broken glass, pottery all over here. So much stuff. So this is a fairly hard bottom watercourse. There is mud in some of the areas. So just here we've got the remains of one of the stone hot water bottles. Now the water at this point just start getting deeper, so you've got to be very careful. The rock and the stone, the pottery, has gone to natural silt and river clay in the bottom. There will be obstructions. I'm not going to go down there. I know from previous experience there is very deep water down there, and I certainly don't fancy it today. Right then, I'm out of the water, as you can see, back on dry land, nice and safe. So I only got the smaller pack with me today. I can't carry too much stuff, so unfortunately the bottles had to be left behind. I've got some, but there's always something for another day. If anybody does want the bottles, I'm quite happy to share the location, and I'm actually going to put it up on the map, on a screenshot on the video, exactly where that location is. So if you want them, come down, get what you can get. It cleans the environment that bit more, and I'd rather people use them than them go into recycling, because that's history lost. So yeah, something's there for somebody else. I am making an announcement very soon. When I get to 2,500 subscribers, I will be doing a magnet giveaway, and that's going to be for a magnet that is a strong magnet, and it all depends on which one is available at the time, but that will be either a Kratos brand magnet, and if I can't do that, I'll be doing a gift card to the same value, and that will be open internationally, anywhere in the world. And I might even give away some finds that I found as well, and there's going to be a huge giveaway when I hit 2,500. It just shows my appreciation, and I'd like to say thank you to everybody that's continued to watch my videos, to comment, to like or dislike, and basically thank you very much. Really do appreciate you all. So you can't take everything, it's impossible, and if you do, well, the enjoyment from the other people that may find the site or come to the site, that's going to be gone. So just do it in bits, get what you can when you can, and just keep going back and keep enjoying the site. And eventually these sites will dry up, they will be gone, because the stuff will run out. So that'll be the good thing for the environment. It just means people's going to have to travel further and further to find new sites, but that's always a good thing, and new places, new people, new experiences. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to my videos as well if you enjoyed the content. Click that like button. I will catch you all soon, and until the very next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now everyone. Have a good day.